Small life for clarity, words get polished slightly. Quiet edits in the signal, details start to drift. Small life for clarity, clean cut on the frame. Once the echo catches, nothing stays the same. Echo does the work, echo bends the word, echo sells the word, echo makes it real. Cold light on glass, screens running blue, soft voice repeating till it sounds true. Small life for clarity, clean cut on the frame. Once the echo catches, nothing stays the same. Echo does the work, echo bends the word, echo sells the word.